May I start this off by saying, you see Trinidad, them have the most reggae dancehall artists get murder on the planet. Believe that or not, them can make the Guinness World Book a record. The question is, what make the Trinidad dancehall scene is so fucking toxic? Yo, may I try answer some of them questions. They give my opinion upon the man them, dog. Cause you know me feel about this murder music thing, you know. So may I give my honest opinion, and some people are gonna like it, some not like it. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Now, I was talking to a Trini friend of mine down in Trinidad, and him say most of the artists them right now is gang member. So that bring off a idea, countryman the genius. Obviously, is gang member them joining into the reggae fraternity and becoming an artist and still carrying out gang activity and still doing crime. Now, I am going to juxtapose this scenario, what's going on in Trinidad, against what Jamaica system is. So, in a Jamaica, the man them are a gang member. You understand? The man them would be more like bad man who will defend themselves. So like, you know, have this fraternity of youths or people who is in a gang and turn artists in a Jamaica. Jamaica, it's a total different thing. A man is a bad man and him turn artist, and when you's a bad man, it means you will defend yourself, and that's what it is applied to when we're dealing with Jamaica as in comparison with Trinidad. Now, what is fueling this toxic set of killing? And pretty much what is fueling it, it's the gangs. Because let's be real, the 7 them are gang, 6 them are gang, all of the RBG, Z-Tech, whoever them want name, all of them is gangs. And music is a very powerful tool, and instead of them use the music to send positive and different kind of message, what they're doing is using the music to fight each other and then transform that into reality. The situation in Trinidad is very effort. Cause the man them is all gang member. Then them transition into the music. Them use the music to send message, kill each other. So at the end of the day, there is so much bad blood within that music thing. We don't even know if we can fix this thing. You see what I'm saying? Now, me understand clearly. Cause if a pussy kill one of my friend them, or brother or whoever, is a problem. And me I go defend it. Straight up. As a me stay. That I just saw how me stay. You understand? Me I go defend it. So I understand how the man them think and where the man them I go through. But the bigger problem to me, it lie in a pum pum like Prezi and pum pum like Six Dan and the rest of man them will have certain control over them youth here. And them are the big pum pum in the thing. Now let's talk about Wakadan and Theme Death, because where a lot of people don't know. You see the area I just a show you something about them gang member here. You see the area where Wakadan come from. A war the friend them, two friend them in their war because it say two of the two friends are fight for take over that area there. You understand? Two friends are fight for take over the area and Wakadan are one of them. So he was a gang member and I shoot people and I do things before him even this Prezi and before him even start the music. My thing is to blow out where the bumbo clot that little boy parents are there. Waka than a hunger blood clot 22 dog. You understand? And him a fight for take over area. Him in a gang, this, that. So him no go school. Where him mother there? Where him bumbo clot father there? You understand? They make the blood clot street grow them youth here. And that are the product. Me say that for say this. And I must, because him this Prezi, make them kill him. Because him a war with another youth which I am friend. For your area. And him was one of the man. I guess now him a par with the six them. And him get some balls and thing and him figure like yo. Him a go take over that area for the six them. And whatever cause my two friend here. And next thing you know him dead. So with that said, so what I go on with the dancehall music in a Trinidad. The man them is a walking, moving target dog. The man them a bullseye, them have a bullseye in the car. Them a kill off each other. You see me I said. And I burn at the music. And now them is a moving target. Now, them not really want the betterment of the music. The youth they not think. That if the music are go flourish in a Trinidad, people who are joining the music have to be non-affiliated with gangs. So yo, last but not least, I'ma say this just to say this. How can you pick up a microphone and know say yo, people are waiting to take revenge on you? So, as far as me see, murder music now go stop at Trinidad until some different kind of people step up in the music and start do the music, you understand, and take control of this music. Cause yo, it's a shame how the man them fuck up reggae music now. And that me have to say. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video.